Hi everyone, today we will be implementing material design into an Android application. For this, we need to create an empty activity project. We can give this project any name that we want. We will call this material 3 example. We need to make sure that we are using Kotlin and our API is in 21. Let's click finish and wait till our application is ready. Now we can run our application to verify that everything is working correctly. It is. After this, we will need to go to Gradle and build Gradle and add into our dependencies the material design dependency. This will be in the comment section, so you will only need to do a copy paste. Don't worry about the version, this should be fine at least for this year 2022. You will also need to do a sync for this, and this may take a while if your internet is slow, but if we run our application, everything should be working as it was working with the initial hello world. Now let's add a button into our activity, and we can place this wherever we want. I'm going to place this at the bottom right. Let's run our application and make sure that our button is being displayed correctly. Okay, it is. Now we will switch to the code version of this activity main, and we will add a style, or we will specify a style for this button. Now that we imported the material tree dependencies, we are able to use this one, and this is just the elevated button style. Well, this button looks really weird. The text is really small. We need to update our themes. The theme needs to be using the material tree theme. We have a lot of options here, so let's use this for now. We need to update the parent. Don't worry, this string will be in the comment section. Now we can run our application, and we will see now that this button is a material design button. I hope you liked the video, and see you the next time.